Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math exponential problem. 3 raised to power x plus 5 is equal to 729 multiplied by 4. Can you solve this? If you have a better method, kindly put it in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 3 raised to power x plus 5 is equal to 729 multiplied by 4. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 729 multiplied by 4. 729 is equal to 3 raised to power 6. Then 4 is equal to 2 square. Now we have 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 3 raised to power 6 multiplied by 2 square. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 3 raised to power 5. Now we have 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 5 divided by 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 3 raised to power 6 multiplied by 2 square over 3 raised to power 5. This 3 raised to power 5 cancels this 3 raised to power 5. We have 3 raised to power 5 here, 1, then 3 raised to power 5 here. This will be remain 3. 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 square. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 3 raised to power s is equal to log 3 multiplied by 2 square. If you have log a raised to power m, this is equal to m log a. And this can be written as s log 3 is equal to log 3 multiplied by 2 square. Now take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. X log 3 is equal to, the whole of this can be written as log 3 plus log 2 square. S log 3 is equal to log 3 plus this log 2 square can be written as 2 log 2. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by log 3. This divided by log 3 and this divided by log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. S is equal to log 3 over log 3 plus 2 log 2 over log 3. This cancel this. S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 3. And if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3. Then this is the value of x. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power x plus 5 is equal to 729 multiplied by 4. Then if s is 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3, we have 3 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus 5 must be equal to 729 multiplied by 4. Then we have 1 here, we have 5 here. 1 plus 5, that is 6. 3 raised to power 6 plus 2 log 2 base 3 can be written as log 4 base 3 must be equal to 729 multiplied by 4. Then 3 raised to power, this can be written as 3 raised to power 6 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 4 base 3 must be equal to 729 multiplied by 4. 3 raised to power 6, this is 729 multiplied by the whole of this is 4. That is, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then this must be equal to, this is equal to 729 multiplied by 4. Here is left hand side and this is right hand side, which is equal. Then if you want to use your calculator, it will be from 3 raised to power s is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 square. This is same thing as 3 raised to power s is equal to 3 multiplied by 4. And this is 3 raised to power s is equal to 12. If you take the log of both sides, we have log 3 raised to power s is equal to log 12. Then s will be equal to log 12 over log 3. This is equal to 2.262. If you want to use your calculator, you can see that within 30 seconds you can finish this. Now let us consider the second method called the method of natural logarithm. We have the given equation 3 raised to power s plus 5 is equal to 729 multiplied by 4. This is the same thing as 3 raised to power s is equal to 12. Then let us take the natural logarithm on both sides of this equation. Ln of 3 raised to power s is equal to ln of 12. Then x ln of 3 is equal to ln of 12. Let's divide both sides by ln of 3. This divided by ln of 3. This ln of 3 cancel this ln of 3. Now, s is equal to ln of 12 over ln of 3. And this is equal to ln of 12 is 2.4849. Then over ln of 3 is 1.0986. S will be equal to 2.262. This is the value of s if you use your natural logarithm and you want to use your calculator. You can see that you are having the same answer for both methods. But if you want to leave the answer in natural logarithm form, it will be s is equal to ln of 12 can be written as ln of 4 multiplied by 3 over ln of 3. This is equal to ln of 4 plus ln of 3 over ln of 3. Then this is same thing as s is equal to ln of 3 over ln of 3 plus ln of 4 over ln of 3. This ln of 3 cancel this ln of 3. S is equal to 1 plus ln of 4 is 2 ln of 2 over ln of 3. You can see that you may solve this thing self in less than 30 seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.